good morning students. So now we will start the group from the primary amine. In the primary amines are used reacted with NaNO2. So CH3 is react with NH2 in the form of NaNO2 plus HCl to form CH3OH plus N2. CH3NH2 in the presence of HNO2 gives CH3OH plus N2. Now preparations, how the preparation form from the molasses first. In the molasses we are using the sucrose, fructose, invertase. Okay, so first of all C12H22O11 is react with the water in the presence of the invertase to form glucose and the fructose. This glucose again goes to the zymase and form as C2H5OH and 2CO2. So these things all students you have to write down in your copy, and this is very important. Okay, I am teaching from my notes. Next is from starch and maltose. So C6H10O5 in the presence of N, this is the starch. Then this is diester is using it form as maltose C12H22O11. This C12H22 reacts with water in the presence of the maltase to form glucose C6H12O6. Now C6H12O6 react with zymase to form C2H5OH and 2CO2. Now absolute alcohol means 95 alcohol and 5% water is present. This already I have told to the boiling point and boiling point of ethanol, all these things. Now next we are starting about the chemical properties. Reaction with Na. So C2H5OH, this is alcohol, react with Na to form C2H5ONa, this is sodium methoxide. Reaction with aluminium, when this thing CH3OH is react with aluminium, it form 2CH3CCH3 here Cl. Reaction of alcohol with acetyl chloride, so alcohol react with CH3O C double bond OCl with the base to form HCl plus C2H5O C double bond O. This form as ethyl ethonate, ester ethyl ethonate. After this it form as CH3OH CH3 C double bond O Cl, the base to form HCl plus CH3O C double bond O oxalic carboxylic group CH3. This form is methyl ethonate. Okay, because CH3 is there, that's why methyl ethonate. Now heating with carboxylic acid means COOH we have to heat. So alcohol is react with CH3 COOH, it form as H2 in the presence of H2SO4 in the heat. So it form as C2H5O C double bond O CH3. This is ethyl ethonate with water. Okay, so next this is the note you can write down in your copy. After the note, next reaction we are starting reaction of acid with Grignard reagent. In the Grignard reagent we are saying CH3OH react with CH3MgCl, it forms CH3OMgCl plus CH4. Next, like this, here we are using C2H5OH, same thing we are using CH3Mg, here Cl, here Br. So what the process came, here is CH3, so here it comes as C2H5O, here came as Mg and Br plus CH4, okay, plus MgBrO C2H5 is coming as. Next reaction, replacement of the OH. So heating with HX, first is ROH plus HX in the presence of Zn. RX H2O is present. ROH is react with HCl in the presence of ZnCl2 to form RCl and H2O. Reaction with PCl5, ROH means R is the aryl group. We can put it here C2H5 also, C6H5, anything we can put it here in the place of R. So PCl5 react, what it form? It form RCl. RCl means if here CH3, so here also CH3 will come. Then Cl. POCl3 plus HCl. So reaction with PCl3. Now it is PCl5. So 3ROH plus PCl3 give 3RCl plus H3PO3. The same reactions coming here. Okay, A, B, C part is over. After this, now next reaction with SOCl2. ROH is react with SOCl2 to form RClSO2 plus HCl. Heating with ammonia. Ammonia means NH2. ROH is react with NH2 with the presence of heating to form RNH2 plus H2O. So okay, till here you will complete it in your copy. Next oxidation I will start from the next time. Okay, thank you students and have a nice day.